Kokomo, Indiana.
Jamie Carroll.
That one's going to get through. D. Gordon with that great speed, waved around third. He's going to make it without a throw. Third RBI of the evening for Juan Rivera, and the Dodgers have crept within 2.
Well, if you want to see a glimpse of what could be a lot of fun for the rest of this season and into next year, watch D. Gordon run. I mean, there's no chance of throwing him out. Usually you hit a ball to left field, you got a chance of throwing someone out at the plate. You don't even think about it. That's fast.
Gordon's now scored each of his last 2 times up.